Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online EVS class. Today we will continue lesson number 13, a reverse journey. Let's start.
Today we will be doing some activity using 10 kitchen products to see whether they dissolve in water or not and whether the color of the water changes or not. Then we will see various water purification methods to purify water at home. Now we will be performing some activity. You will need some kitchen products like sugar, salt, lemon juice, haldi, soap water, flour, dal, sharbat, baking soda, that is cooking soda, oil. All these things are readily available in everyone's kitchen. Take all these things about half a tablespoon. Then take 5 transparent glasses for performing this activity. Now, what will you do? Fill about half a glass of water in all these 5 glasses. Make sure that all these 5 glasses have the same amount of water. Now, one by one, put each of these things in the water. For example, first put sugar in the first glass, salt in the second glass, lemon juice in the third glass, haldi powder in the fourth glass, and soap water in the fifth glass. Stir them with spoon and see what happens. Write your observation in the table given in your textbook, page number 106. Put a tick mark in the right place. We can see that sugar, salt, lemon juice, haldi and soap water dissolves in a glass of water. When haldi and soap water are added to water, we can see that the color of water changes. But when sugar, salt and lemon juice are added to water, the color of water does not change. Now empty all these 5 glasses and clean them properly. Again, fill these 5 glasses with the same amount of water. Now add the remaining 5 kitchen products. For example, put flour in the first glass, dal in the second glass, sharbat in the third glass, cooking soda in the fourth glass, whereas oil in the fifth glass. Stir them with spoon and see what happens. We can see that flour, dal and oil do not dissolve in water. Flour and dal settles down, whereas oil floats on water. Sharbat and cooking soda dissolves in water. When flour, dal, sharbat, oil are added to water, we can see that the color of the water changes. But when cooking soda is added to water, the color of the water does not change. Now children, answer the following questions. First one, do all the things dissolve in water? Answer is no. Flour, dal and oil do not dissolve in water. Second one, does the color of the water always change as each material is added? Answer is no. The color of the water does not always change. Third one, did oil dissolve in water? How can you say whether it is dissolved or not? Answer is no. Oil did not dissolve in water. Things which are insoluble in water either come up or settle down. In this case, oil can be seen floating on water. Next question. Color of the water may not change even after some things are dissolved in water like salt, sugar, lemon juice and cooking soda. Color of the water will not change even if these things are dissolved in water. Would you say that these things are absent in water? Answer is no. They are not absent in water. Since things which are dissolved in water are always present in the water. Next question. Imagine how it would be if things like sugar, salt, lemon juice, sherbet, etc. could not dissolve in water. Children, I am talking about if sugar, salt, lemon juice, sherbet could not dissolve in water, then what would happen? Imagine. Answer is if these things could not dissolve in water, then we would not be able to cook food or prepare things like cold drinks, coffee or tea. Next question. Imagine what would happen if things like stones, chalk, plastic and garbage would dissolve in water. I repeat, if things like stones, chalk, plastic and garbage would dissolve in water, then what would happen? Answer is, if these things dissolve in water, it would make the water dirty. And some of these things can be very harmful for our body. Even we would not be able to survive by consuming the water containing dissolved stones, dissolved chalk, dissolved plastic and dissolved garbage. So it is good for us that these harmful things do not dissolve in water. But still, water becomes dirty due to many human activities, as we have seen previously. Hence, it is very important that we purify the water before drinking it. One of the best ways to purify the water is by boiling it. Many other ways are also there for purifying water at home, like by adding alum to water. Alum is also known as fatakdi in Gujarati, is added to water in order to settle down the mud particles suspended in water. Many other ways for purifying water at home are by adding chlorine water or by filtering water using electric water purifiers. Adding chlorine to the drinking water kills germs present in water. Chlorine is a bleaching agent that is used to purify water, but too much chlorine is dangerous for us. Electric water purifiers such as RO water purifier kills microorganisms and makes hard water, that is water with TDS, to soft water. But boiling water is the best way to purify the water before drinking it. Finally, our lesson number 13, a river's journey, has come to an end. We learned different ways to purify water at home. Hope to meet you in next online EVS class. Thank you. Take care.